and have that view over there, that's just pretty awesome. That's almost as awesome as watching that Mike Les guy on YouTube. That is one good looking tractor and grain cart. Hey everybody, it is Farmhand Mike here, bringing you another corn planting video from Darke County, Ohio. I am out in the field with a Challenger MT675D tractor pulling a 16-row Kinze model 3600 planter. I don't even know if this farmer knows I was spying on him. I was working ground in the field next to him with the Versatile 460, and I saw him over here planting it, and I thought, I'm just going to stop, I'm going to fly the drone over here and get a quick video. After all, it's fair game. They was taking some videos or pictures of me from their phones while I was working ground beside them. But how could they not? I was in such an awesome tractor. This is just a short video. Got a few minutes of just drone footage only. No on the ground footage because I was busy too and I didn't have time. Just a couple quick specs on the tractor. The Challenger MT675D tractor is powered with a 6-cylinder, 8.4-liter diesel engine. These are rated at 320 engine horsepower or 275 PTO horsepower. Looks like these tractors were built from 2011 to 2013. If you look in the background there, you will see me standing by the Versatile 460 tractor. That's going to do it for this video. Thanks everybody for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing. Feel free to comment below and stay tuned. I still have a lot more videos from the spring of 2020 coming to my channel.